Hi, so last video we talked about getting your thumbnail ready as a template. You have it locked here and everything's pretty much figured out. Now let's talk about what to do with it. There's two ways that you could go about tackling this project. Alright, so one way is if you have experience drawing. How many of you have experience drawing, or you like drawing, or that's your major, or it's something that you do and you have experience? Okay, and then how many of you don't really have any experience drawing and you're more into photography or design, and you're really that's not your major, or it's not your thing. So we've got two camps, right? Figure out where you fit. These examples are all pretty much based on drawing. But that does not mean that if you prefer photography or design over drawing, that you can't use Photoshop and do this exercise, this assignment to use digital coloring. So I'm going to show you two different ways at this point with the thumbnail, like what to do next according to your skill set and your interests. So two ways are, one way is, right, we talked about drawing the drawing people. You know who you are. You're going to be using your drawings and you're going to import those type drawings into Photoshop, and we're going to be working with that line work. You might find that you don't need to do as much photo collaging because you're relying more heavily on your own drawing skills, and you're using the photo collage just for minor things like picking, like really readability, a hand, picking the right teapot, stuff like that. Number two, the non-drawing, more photo design people, you're going to be using digital line work. I recommend anybody who's serious about your school and your major and everything else that you get one of these if you don't have it. And if you don't have Procreate, if you don't have iPad, anything like that, it's pretty inexpensive Wacom tablet. And you can use this to use the brush tool. And I'm going to show you some demos of using your photo collage thumbnail to recreate it using the brush tool.